Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Basecamp 3 to Google Calendar. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Basecamp 3 to Google Calendar, begin by opening your Basecamp account in your web browser. Log in using your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once inside your Basecamp dashboard, navigate to the project you want to connect to Google Calendar. Locate the project settings, typically found in the top right corner of the project interface. Click on the Settings option to access project integrations. In the Integrations section, look for the Google Calendar option. Select the Google Calendar integration to open the connection settings. You may need to authorize Basecamp to access your Google account. Follow the prompts to log in to your Google account if required. Grant the necessary permissions for Basecamp to sync with Google Calendar. After authorization, choose the specific calendar you want Basecamp events to sync with. Select whether you want to display Basecamp events in your chosen Google Calendar. Once you have made your selections, save the changes to complete the setup. Return to your Google Calendar to confirm that the Basecamp events are visible. You should now see your Basecamp tasks and deadlines reflected in Google Calendar. This integration helps keep your schedule organized and up to date. To ensure everything works smoothly, check both applications regularly for any updates or changes. You're now all set to manage your tasks effortlessly across both platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.